YouTube, back at it again with another video. We're gonna go over what I seen today. I didn't take a trade today, but the reason why I didn't take a trade is because I'm not gonna lie. Like in the morning session, like price, like it was doing what it was doing, and then I just wasn't seeing a setup, and then I ended up like going away from the charts, right? And then come to realize I came back to the charts, and then I seen that a setup presented itself. So we're gonna go over that today. But coming into the market, I seen we had these fair value gaps right here. So I either went to no we had fair value gaps here on the hourly chart, and then we had these highs right here. So I went to see manipulation at either one of those things. So either at the like a low, this low inside the fair value gap, or one of these highs right here. So you can go down to the 15-minute chart. What happened was, oh, yeah, on the 15-minute chart, we had this high, and it was inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. So we could go ahead and mark that out. And as you know, there was a SMT. And SMTs within a high time frame PD array, very high probability. So yeah, right. Yeah. So it's 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 was right here, right? And then at 11:30 was when the SMT was created. So I'll look at that real quick. Where was it? Yeah, right here. Okay, hold on. Yeah, alright, blah, 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 blah. Right, yeah, so price, it went up from 9:30 to 11. That's when I was really paying attention to the charts. I didn't see setup present itself, right? So I stopped looking at the charts, like I said. Then around 11:30, NQ, it swept this high within that 15-minute fair value gap. This was 12 o'clock high from yesterday, Thursday, October 17th, right? And as you can see on ES was nowhere near that high. That was inside that 15-minute fair value gap. It didn't sweep at all. And there was also another SMT right here with this 915 swing high right here, as you can see. All right, ES didn't sweep it. It didn't sweep that high, but NQ did. All right, so if you drop down to the 1 minute, what do we see, right? So yeah, so we swept it on NQ. As soon as that happened, major displacement, right? We had the market structure shift, right? Um, Basically with the 2022 model, it did not come back into that fair value gap. So if people were looking for for it to retrace back into that fair value gap, it didn't come back into that fair value gap. So if I was to trade, what I would have did, cause like I think like the past month and a half, price just been coming down to the price has just been retracing to breaker blocks. So I could have entered on this breaker, the body of this breaker right here. Put stop like right there, right, and then I would have targeted this, targeted nah, honestly I probably would have targeted this. I would have targeted that because that was 9:30 swing low. First TP would have been right here at this swing low right here. Would have moved stop to break even. Second TP would have been right here. Would have moved stop down even more, and then when I hit that 9:30 low, so I would have got stopped at break even or whatever. Right. ES didn't really move down that much. Where was it? Yeah. ES didn't really move down that much. It had the markets. Did it? I mean, it inversed that fair value gap, so that would have been enough confirmation, but it didn't really come all the way down. And then after that, price it reversed, and then it just went up and started going back up. So yeah, that was it for today. Pretty decent day. Um, Yeah, for the people that's like waiting for like retracements to the fair value gap, a tip for y'all, like if there's a breaker, like enter on a breaker and then put your stop below. No, put your stop, like make sure your stop covers the breaker as well as the fair value gap, just in case. Because I've been noticing a lot of times price is just retraces to the breaker instead of going all the way to the fair value gap. So yeah, pretty decent week. We're learning, we're getting better, showing up every day. I hope you guys are doing the same. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Let's see. So y'all be safe. Y'all have a good night. Good luck, y'all.